Yeah? Yes?
What is going? Hey, hey.
Yeah? Yes. We will
What
collapse
is
this
this
election.
sincerely? Huh? How can one person do this? Huh?
Point of order. She shouldn't fight in the chamber. She shouldn't shout in the. She shouldn't fight in the chamber. That's wrong. That's wrong. She's misbehaving.
Mande chamar polícias. Mande chamar polícias para pôr ordem. É fundamental a ordem. Chamem polícias para pôr ordem. É preciso que haja disciplina aqui.